Thank you once again to all the facilitators. I have seldom seen commitment and sacrifice, but in the course of this program, I've been able to see how somebody will just throw his life into serving other people. You know, sometimes I will watch Uncle Chris. I say, so this is what he's living for. I'll see Reverend Emmanuel. I say, I will say, so this is, it is, you know, sometimes it will take you time to find out why you were even born or called. I said, these ones, the way they talk, it is just part of their life. So apart from gathering us here, meeting them as persons is also another wonderful thing. And me particularly, one of the things I marvel at, I say, how did it even happen that I became part of this? He said, God so loved me so much that I became, many of us are in Gombe, just few of us. I said, it is God. So God has really helped me. And on the issue of healing the wounds of trauma, you know, in my room, I was just taking this book and, you know, I'll just, both the cover pages, I just cherish everything about the book. Only a few books have touched me the way this book did. Only a very few books. So I said to myself, you know, sometimes you see people manifest problems, you will not just know that there is a root to some of these problems. You will be, you know, dealing with it here and there from how you were trained, praying and fasting and all those things. But this training has simply equipped me on certain measures to take and solve multitude of problems. And even have extra time to rest. So I found myself, I will solve problems that I couldn't have solved through other means and even have time to rest because of what I've got from this book. There's nothing like equipping you. As you go out there, you meet needs, overwhelming as they are, almost burning out, but God helps you to have shock absorbers, face things, face life. Even me particularly, this training removed a strong burden from my heart. There's something, there's a burden that almost have crushed me. But in the course of this program, when I saw, even before we started this thing, when I saw the second this thing, and I said to myself, it is better to take this matter. Let this matter end here. As I leave Miango, let me just drop this matter, live in that relief so that I could do ministry with clear conscience. So I want to say, honestly, very little, I don't know, you may have faith to believe God is doing so much through this ministry, but I am sure to tell you that you wouldn't know the extent you have touched life, and you also wouldn't know or decipher to the degree, to the scope, what you have done will reach, because we are living here, in particular, I'm living here on fire. To do the best. In fact, I say I will live my best years now, my best life now. Because of this, I am going like a rocket that is being launched, all because of this. And lastly, I was telling myself, facilitation is just the best. I said, nobody was shouting, nobody was shaking, but the thing was sinking. I said, this is just the best. God will be talking to you, you will just be learning it, you will just be understanding it deeply, than somebody coming shout on you, you will take some decision, after you go back, you will regret taking it. But this one is just sinking like drizzling, entering, penetrating. What a wonderful method of impacting people. Thank you, Pastor Chris. Thank you all the facilitators. Thank you for getting to know you. May the Lord bless and reward you in Jesus Christ's name.